this is Harshita Punyani and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be very different than what you would usually see on this channel because I am going to talk about a few different hairstyles that I like, and those who know me know that I love experimenting with my hair, and over time I've kind of found a few different hairstyles that I like on me, and I thought why should I not share them with you, why should I not share them with you too. I'm sorry if you hear some noise in the background because there's some construction happening near my home, and this is because of that only. So without wasting any more time, let's just find out what these hairstyles are. But before we begin, I would like to tell you that this is how my hair naturally look. I have actually not done anything on my hair today. I have just washed them and combed them and gotten rid of all the knots and tangles. I actually do not like applying any heat to my hair on the usual days. Only when it's some occasion I either curl my hair or I just straighten them a little. So now without saying anything much, let's just find out what our first hairstyle is.
Okay, so for hairstyle number 1, first of all, you need to comb your hair with your hand and then you need to start making a French braid. Now, if you don't know how to do a French braid, I've explained that in detail in the third hairstyle that you're going to watch in this video. So all you need to do is you need to make a regular braid, but with every strand of hair that you pull back or that you turn around, you need to add a section of your hair from the front part of your head, and right after you approach your ear doing this, you need to make the regular braid that you generally do. And after this, you're going to take this braid to the back of your head. Now you're going to pull a strand of your hair from your crown area and you're going to hide this basically under that strand. So you need to pin your hair under that strand, and after you're done doing this, you will put back the hair that you pulled earlier, and so this is how the first hairstyle will look. So hairstyle number 2 is kind of an extension of hairstyle number 1. What you need to do is that you need to start by making the same French braid that you made earlier, but this time you're going to secure it with a rubber band. After you're done doing this, you need to take the rest of your hair, which you'll just see in a bit. So yeah, like this, you'll take the rest of your hair and make a ponytail out of them, but make sure that you comb your hair well before it to avoid any kind of unevenness. After you're done doing this, which I am still doing, you need to take the so you need to take the braid that you made, and you're going to mix that all together, and you're going to tie that with a rubber band, secure that in the form of a ponytail. And I generally like to roll this braid that I made with the front part of my hair around the rubber band, but I forgot doing that while shooting this video, so you can try that if you want, but otherwise too you can just remove the rubber band just like I'm doing and leave it like this all together. I had a really tough time removing this. Let me know in the comment section below if you also hate doing this thing. Like these kind of rubber bands, they just they just don't want to come out of your hair, right? So yeah. Okay, so yeah, it's done. So now you can comb your hair once again, just mix it all together. So this is how your hairstyle number 2 will look. Okay, so here is hairstyle number 3 that I was talking about earlier. I'm going to explain you how to do a French braid. So you need to divide your hair in 2 parts. I like to do the side parting because I think that suits me more. So you need to take a little of your hair from the front part of your head and divide it into 3 parts and make a twist like you do it in the regular braid. But before the second twist, you need to add a bit of your hair from the front section of your head, just like I am doing in this video, and mix that in the strand of your hair that you already have from that twisting kind of braid. I'm really sorry if I'm getting really bad at explaining this, but you know what's happening, right? You can see in the video. To complete this hairstyle number 3, you need to repeat the same process on the other side of your hair too. I don't know, I think that I have less hair on the right side of my head. I have such weird realizations every now and then. Let me know in the comment section below if you also feel the same sometimes. So you're going to secure it with a rubber band, and after you're done, oh, I'm so sorry. Further, you need to take both of these braids at the back of your head and tie them together just like I am doing in the video. And once you're done doing this, you need to open both of the braids that you made from the front part of your head, and you're going to mix it all together. Now you need to start making the regular braid of the hand, and make sure that it is tight and it goes as long as you can. Now you need to start rolling your hair to make a bun. Make sure that the part of your hair that you do not have braided, you hide that completely behind the bun so that it is not at all visible, and you secure it tightly with pins. Moving on to the fourth hairstyle of the day, which is a rope braid. We are going to start by taking the front part of the hair and divide that into two parts. Now we are going to twist both of these parts around to give it a rope-like structure. We are going to make two twists in the beginning, and then we are going to add a little section of our hair from the front part of our head, just like I am doing in the video. Do this until you reach your ear, and then you need to twist your hair around. So fifth hairstyle, and the last hairstyle of the day, is going to be a ponytail. You need to start by combing your hair completely to avoid any kind of unevenness, and then you're going to make a low ponytail. Now you're going to divide your hair in two parts, and you're going to bring your hair out of the ponytail. You're going to pull it out of that division that you made. Now I generally like to stop here only, but for the sake of this video I tried repeating the final step, and this is the outcome. I personally do not like it, but if you liked it, you can try it for yourself.
That's all for today. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite hairstyle. I have actually tried to keep all of them very simple yet not so basic, and if you happen to try any of these, make sure that you send me your pictures, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll come up with more of such videos. Bye. Oh, I forgot something. If you didn't like any of these, or if you don't want to try any of these, girl, you can just flip your hair like this and you'll still look amazing. Bye.